morning students. We back to our first lesson, crop production and management. In last period we see irrigation means, now we see protection from weeds. You know weeds means what, but I will told you the definition. What means by weeds scientifically? The unwanted, uncultivated plants are called as weeds. Unwanted, uncultivated plants are called weeds. Then weeds, they gave you specific names of the weeds which are not useful. Which are they? They gave you names. First, wild oats and amarthas. These are the two examples of weeds. Then, how they are? It can be done into two ways. Weeding can be done into two ways. First is manual weeding and chemical weeding. See what we see further and what is the reason why we take the introduction. We see protection from weeds. Weeds means what? What I define the weeds means the unwanted, uncultivated plants called as weed. So we take the protection. They are no need in the field. So we take the protection. And which are the weeds? They gave you examples. Wild oats is the weed which we cannot use in our field. They only harms the crops. So production become less. So we can protect the crops from the weeds. And it can be done into two ways. Protection of weeds or weedings can be done through two ways. Don't forget, protection from weeds or weeding by two ways. Which are they? First, manually, and second, which one? Chemically. I gave you like this only. Why? Because when you differentiate between these two, then you understood what means by manual and what means by chemical ones. Okay. Protection from weeds or weeding by two ways. Manual weeding and chemical weeding. What means by manual weeding? We can see first, it is done by human beings only. Manual weeding done by human beings only. And here through chemicals only. Okay. Manual weeding through man's or human beings only, and chemical weeding with only chemicals. Then it floods through second part. It includes uprooting, cutting, etc. Here spread chemicals means weedicides. Which chemicals? Weedicides we can spray. Third one, crops damage. Here crops not damaged. Next, no harm to crop. Harmful for crops. Okay. Don't forget why I gave you like this. When differentiate between, then you can write this word. Then single only write down manual weeding. You can write it, or single chemical weeding you can write it. So you also note down as it is protection from weeds. What means by weeds? Example of weeds. Two shapes of weedings only. First is second is chemical. Manual, it is done by human beings. Chemical weeding through chemicals only. Chemicals can spread on the crops to destroy the weeds. Here man can do it. How? They uprooting, they cuts the weeds. Third one, this manual weeding damage the crop because human beings can do the process. So sometimes crops also damage. Here crops not damaged because we can spread only pesticides, these chemicals only, which are affect only weeds. They not affects the crops. So chemical spreading not damage the crops. And last, manual weeding, no harm on the crops, but in chemical weeding it will be harm for crops because chemicals affects not only the weeding but also crops, the production of crops or the fruits or the vegetable in 50% also. But in manual weeding 0% crop damage will be there. In chemical weeding minimum 50% damage of crops will be done. So chemical weeding is problematic but it having less timing. Manual weeding takes more timing but it is not a harmful one. So to control the weed, use crop specific of crop rotation in plant. What we do to stop it, to control weed, we use manual and chemical weeding. But again, which points we can use it, which point we can see, that is crop rotation we can done in the field, or the crop specification we can done in our field. How? We cannot use all these. We only do crop rotation in field. Means 2 months, 3 months, 4 months crops will be there. They can go from the field. We can sowing again new seed. So weedings cannot be grows up because of crop rotation and crop specification. Weeding cannot, these weeds cannot grow minimum 2-3 months continuously. So crop rotation is again a one way and crop specification is again a second way to stop the weeding growth, to protect the crops from the weed. Don't forget it, how the weeding can stop through manually, chemically, and again crop rotation and crop specification. Then next one is protection of crops from birds and animals. Which are they? From birds, how it is? It is in one sentence only. By setting up cross in crop beds and beating of drums of scaring away birds. We can see that Busgauna, you can stay it in the field that birds cannot come. Second one, pests, which are harmful for the crops. Pests, what we use to stop the pests? We use pesticides to protect the pests, to protect the crops from the pests. Pesticides we can use it. Pesticides means what? The pests like rodents in the fields are killed by using pesticides called as pesticides. Means the chemical, the formula which kill the pests are called pesticides. Rodents are there. They are harmful for crops. So we can protect the birds from the Busgauna. You can know it, Busgauna means. And protection from birds, from pests, pesticides. Don't forget, some pesticides they gave you in your textbook. Which are they? DDT is there, BHSC is there, sulfur is there, zinc phosphate is there, and warfarin is there. Some pesticides you can write in your notebook as it is. Question is here like this. Write down some common pesticides which we can use in the field. How they are? 3, 4, 5 are there. So minimum 2 marks or 3 marks. One sentence question is there or 3 mark question is there. Write down as it is. Okay. Here we complete protection from weeds. In that we see weeding 2 ways, manually, chemically. Protection from birds among pets also. Then here we stop. In next lecture we see harvesting means. You can read the next concept carefully and come back to the next lecture. You can clear the concept very nicely. So read the concept carefully. Thank you all of you. Utkarsh.